Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change communication limits during screen time on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the screen time. Then in the screen time, scroll down again and click the communication limits. Then in the communication limits, click this part in the allowed communication. Then you can choose the contacts that you want to allow on your screen time. For example, contacts only, contacts in groups with at least one contact, or everyone. Just put a check mark on the side. When the allowed communication is enabled, it is allow one-on-one and group conversation with anyone, including unknown numbers. And that's it. We have successfully changed communication limits during screen time on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.